Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Saltsandroses. My name is Ashley, and today we're kicking off a 5-minute, 5-day outer thigh challenge. So we really want to slim those thighs, start to create some muscles, and get rid of those saddlebags and hip dips. So be sure that you can set aside 5 days for 5 minutes to join this challenge so that you can really see results, okay? And for this workout, you don't need any equipment at all. You just need a little bit of space and a mat, and that's it. So let's dive into our workout. Okay guys, let's go ahead and kick off our workout. So just come down on your mat and we're gonna lay on your left side. So we're gonna start with just a simple leg lift. We're gonna do each one of these for 30 seconds. So let's kick it off with our leg lift. So there you go. You wanna just push your leg through. You wanna make sure that your hips are nice and square on top of each other. Constrict your abs. You are getting a little bit of an ab workout here too. So we're gonna touch and focus really on your outer thighs, but you'll feel some abs as well. All right, so we're gonna switch over to leg circles now. So what I want you to do is just take your toe and draw a circle, right? So this is a quick workout and you're gonna feel the burn. So I promise you it's gonna hurt a little, but it is very effective short workout. So give me your all for 5 minutes. You can do it. So keep going, draw those circles. We have 10 more seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your knees together and then you're just gonna lift this knee up. So here we go. Lift your knee up. You wanna push through the back. You really wanna feel through these back outer thighs, okay? Take nice, deep breaths. You can do it. Definitely want to challenge you to stick to the 5 days. I've really been doing these types of workouts to get my thighs looking shapely, so I know you can too. Okay, let's extend our legs back out, and what we're going to do is a rainbow lift. So you want to draw a rainbow with your toe. So you're going to just go over just like you're drawing a rainbow. Okay? Again, make sure your hips are nice and stacked. Take some good deep breaths. Feel gratitude for your body. Give me 5 more seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last thing here on this side. So I want you to lift your leg up towards the ceiling, come down towards the middle, and then back, all right? So and then you're just gonna flow through that. I know it's burning, but this is the last one on this side. And then we'll switch to the other side. You can do it. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Let's switch to the other side. All right, same thing here. So we're just gonna start with our leg lift, all right? So here we go, leg lift. Really push through at the top. Feel your obliques tightening. Feel that strength through your legs. You are stronger than you think you are. Your body is amazing. It does so much for you every day. Push, push, push. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. So now let's switch those leg circles. So just draw a circle with your toe. Keep that leg lifted. You don't need to bring it up way high or way down low. Just right in the middle. Draw those circles. You can do it. Great work. Keep pushing. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, legs together. You know the drill. Lift up Really push through your back. You want to feel the back of your thighs and your butt constrict and tighten as you push through. Nice deep breaths. Think of how good you're gonna feel once you knock this workout out. All right, let's switch to a rainbow lift. Hips nice and stacked, and then you're gonna draw your rainbow. Takes some coordination. You got it. These are the types of workouts I've been doing to really get a shapely legs and outer thighs, and they've really worked. So stick with it. Doesn't happen overnight, but you can do it. All right, and we're switching to our last one here. So kick forward, down through the center, and back. Forward and back. I guess it's kind of like a smiley face. Nice. Last one. The very last one of your 5-minute workout. So give me everything here. I know you're feeling the burn. I am too. Just 5 more seconds. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Amazing. So let's just do a quick stretch because that was pretty intense. So just bring your legs together, and I want you to extend through your body, through your torso, and then just do a gentle forward fold. So just gentle. You don't have to reach all the way down. You're gonna feel that stretch through those outer thighs, which is great. Be sure to drink enough water today. Be really proud of what you did and stick with it. Okay, extend your left leg out. Bring your right foot to your inner thigh, and then just reach out towards your toes. You don't have to hit your toes. It's okay if you even come to here, but you should feel that nice stretch. Nice deep breath. Slow the heart rate back down. Be present in your body. Grateful for how strong you are and for what you just accomplished. Okay, let's switch to the other side. Same thing here. All right, and then extend both legs out, just like this, and lift forward. You can sway side to side. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And be sure to come back and do the full 5 days. And I'll see you on the next Salts and Roses.